More than 2000 teams are actively using our widgets right now in GHL, and to be really honest, we didn't even plan any of it. First of all, a very happy new year to you guys from Team Messy Programmer, and in this year of 2026, we are going to provide you guys with extraordinary content. Just stick with us and you will be amazed. In earlier 2024, GHL introduced a custom GHL web widget feature. Now, to be honest, very few people knew how to build it. The documentation was basically incomplete, and GHL just said to us to use Postmat and a iframe. Now, they just dropped a single example on their GitHub. So our team did the best. We reverse engineered the whole project. Spent weeks figuring out the best possible way to build a custom widget that actually worked reliably. And once we cracked it, we documented the whole process. We even created a video on this, how to develop a custom web widget. You can just click here and watch the full video, but stick with me after this video. And just like that, we started developing custom web widgets for our clients. But then we thought, why not sharing those with the community for free? March 2025, we launched our very first custom GHL web widget, which was script button. The thing is, in GHL, the buttons could only be clicked. Now, what if you need a button to calculate something, or maybe interact with some external APIs? With this widget, your buttons could actually do stuff. It could run your own JavaScript, and people were actually loving it. We started seeing installs immediately. And just after a week, we introduced another one. It was a flip counter this time. You know those animated flip counters, those looks actually great on your page. And it creates a sense of urgency. It can be used for countdowns or maybe live status. And the opportunity is actually endless. And then we launched the dynamic data table in that same month. Now this dynamic data table could actually pull data real time from your API or webhooks and reflect it on a table that actually suits your site. Apple bought the QR code widget, and in May we introduced the script chart widget. This is basically a dynamic chart that updates automatically whenever your data changes. And in the month of June, we introduced image search widget. This was basically a product catalog or searchable image gallery. 6 widgets in 2025, all are free, available in GHL Marketplace. And here's what surprised us. We just solved the problems that we saw our clients was struggling with. And we never expected 2000 plus teams will adopt them. That's the thing about solving real problems. Now, if you do it well, people will notice it. And we're not stopping. Right now, we have our custom field manager is under review with GHL. Now, if you have ever managed the custom fields in GHL, man, you know the pain. You can't duplicate fields, you can't duplicate folders, you can't even delete one folder, including all the fields under that folder. Keeping every field in sync, it's a total nightmare. Now this tool is going to solve all of your problems. It's still under review, but once it will be live, just give it a try. It will save a lot of time of yours. So yeah, 2024 was wild. We started with half documentation and reverse engineering, and now we have more than 2000 people using our solution. And if you're using GoHighLevel and still haven't used our widgets, just give it a try. The links will be in the description. And if you want something custom built for your business, that's literally what we do. You can just contact us at contact@messyprogrammer.dev, and I'll see you in the next one.